Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today?
We are doing well.
That's really wonderful. I would like to say thanks to Mother Salil Banat and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. Today I am going to talk about mother. My honorable teachers and sisters, as you know, the Islam, the obedience of mother supersedes that of the father. A man who came to my Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who should be my best friend? Who should be my best companion?" Then my Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your mother." He said, "Who's next?" My Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your mother." He said, "Who's next?" He said, "Your mother." He said, "Who's next?" Then my Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your father." That means 70% of law goes to your mother and 25% of law goes to your father. And your mother gets the gold medal and the mother gets the silver medal as well as the gold medal. My Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Paradise lies beneath the feet of your mother." That means if you love your mother, if you respect your mother, if you are obedient to your mother, inshallah you will enter the paradise. My sisters, you know what this kid that wrote a letter to his mother. "Mom, today I dish is $20 and I clean garbage out $15. Son, then mother answered out, "Oh my son, I carried you in my womb. Oh, now the pain free of charge. Oh my son, when you were a baby, I used to feed before feeding anybody, and before feeding myself. And my sweet son, when you used to sigh, when you used to sick, I used to stand with the care. So this is law of mother. I think if I do 100 part of law, then 90 parts of law than my mother. So love your mother because this is a big bless for." I wrap up my speech with the message that it's been a great experience to share my views with your wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a good day.